Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayaan. Now we're in cherry tomato garden. And so let's go to the cherry tomatoes. Now I'm here going in the cherry tomato garden. Oh look how this. Oh, there's another sticky trap. Go under it, Daddy. Now there's cherry tomato, but this is bigger than cherry tomato. See this green stalk, and let me taste it. And tastes like tomato. It tastes like real tomato. A little bit sour though. I like this though. I don't know the whole thing. And that's for pepperoni pizza and salad and anything else. Let's go deeper. Now we are going and here. Look like a cave. And there's a what is that? Why this tastes like sand? And this is bigger than cherry tomato. Does it taste like sand or something? Oh, no. Now we're going there. Come on. And here another garden. Now tomato. Oh, see, there's big tomatoes, but they're not red yet. When it's red, look at that. Gonna eat it?
Nope.
I'm just joking. Here's my tomato. And look, these are so big, but not red yet. Tomato is so giant, but not red yet. Look, it's so giant, really giant. We're here in the big tomato field. Let's go deeper. And you know it has raw and red. Now we're going. Why this sign? This one. And this sign. Look, there's big tomato. Wow, these are giant tomatoes, but not red yet. Do you know why it's not red? Because our tomato we eat is complete big. So it's not complete big. It's just mini. No, not ripe tomato. And this is green tomato. And after green tomato is turned red. We can eat it after cooking. But do you know why the cherry tomatoes are little, but they are red? How can it happen? I will explain it to you. Those are cherry tomatoes, so it's red really quickly. And do you know why there's 1,000 ropes here? And another side. That side needs fixing. This better. Now we can see the side. Now let's go. Look, there's round-shaped tomatoes. And look, come on, quickly. Look, there's little red tomato, but you can eat it. Why this tomato get a hole? Maybe that's a bird home or something. I'll throw it away.
No, no,
Okay.
don't pick it.
I won't pick it. And we are here in the cherry tomato again. I like cherry tomatoes. I want to eat more. This is medium. It's covered in sand. And I just like this. And now. What is soft? I don't want it soft. Oh, this looks like watermelon. Let's try sticking it in the sticky trap. I'll do it. This is all about today's tomato field. Now we will visit another field later. Now I need to go home. Bye bye, Tata. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.